Hi TVS, welcome back to my next video. In this video we are going to see about some of the loops. We have three loops here: for loop, while loop, do while loop. Okay, so three loops we will be seeing what's the thing going on in the loop kind of thing and how to work with them. And if you like this video, please like it and raise my voice. And if you don't, then don't raise my voice and please don't give negative comments. Let us start the video by loops. So basically in my previous video we have seen about the switches, so let me delete it. Now let me take a loop kind of thing. We have for loops. Let me have the syntax with me and let me show you how this works. And for loop has this syntax: for bracket open, here it will be a condition, or first will be an initialization, next will be your condition, next will be your increment or decrement, and here your statements it will go out. Okay, so basically this is the thing you will be having. Now let me have my initialization I equals to 0. Okay, I need to print an even numbers. Then what should I do? Okay, I need to print an even numbers in a for loop. What I will be doing? See, so for up to 10, okay, I less than or equal to a is a variable which I have stored, and I want to increment my I value, I plus plus. So for this I need to check if a is divisible, if I is divisible by 2 or not. By 2, if I is divisible by 2, and if I is divisible by 2 or not. If I is divisible by 2, then what I need to do? Then I need to print that value. If I is divisible by 2, then what I will do? Console.log console.log even values. What I will do? I will print the value of I. That's it. Simple task. I will print the value of I, and it will be checking and checking. So if I equal to 0, if I equals to 0, okay, if I equals to 0, then I should not execute, right? And if I is equals to 0, okay, if I equals to 0, then this should not happen, right? If I is divided by 2, then it's okay. If I is not divided by 2, let me take this statement whole as not kind of thing, so negation. If I is not divisible by 2 and I is equals to 0, if I is equals to 0, then what I'll do? I'll do nothing. I'll do nothing, and else I'll print it. Console.log I will print value of I. This small thing which I want to do, and I want to do it continuously. Loop. This is a looping concept with a if loop. Okay, so this is a small code which I have written. Let me check whether it works or not. There is an error at the line number 4. If I equals to 0, why? So here is like semicolon. It's like semicolon per loop, and here will be your console. You can able to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything is got printed up till 16, right? So else part it is continuously printing it out. So I need to stop that values. If I is not equals to 2, what I'll do, control X, control V, only 0 got printed. If I is not equals to 2 and this, let me have this OR kind of thing, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 only got printed. See, if this I is not divisible by 2, or if I equals to 0, if I equals to 0, then I need to print. I should not print 0 is an even number. So if this is the case, then 0 will not be printed. Okay, 0 got printed. Okay, so I need to start it with 1. That's the case. So this is how you can play with your code. So for loop, basically my aim of the video is to how this for loop works and what is the syntax of it. So basically for loop works like this, and it works here. You can able to see all the even numbers got printed. If not of I percentile of 2, it means if reminder is not equal to 0, this statement gives me if reminder is not equal, if reminder is not of 0, means it's true, I will be getting this true, this as a true. And this is also like if it is true or true, means if you have an or true, this is true or this is true, then you need to print it out, the value. So it's doing the same thing. If I have this thing as and, then what it goes is it true or false, true and false, you will get false. So there it will not get printed the values, the values will not get printed because I value is not equal to 0. If it is like 0, then both will be true and you will be having only 0, you will be getting only 0. So this is how it works. Actually you can play with and or kind of thing. So basically in this video was like only for loop and even numbers. I need to print it out. Here I got my even numbers with I initialization of I equals to 1. Okay, so there you go. And the next part of this is like while. I'll be showing you while. This first syntax I am removing it out and I'm placing it while. Control X, let me paste it here. Control X is a while syntax and the code remains the same. But here what I am doing, I am initializing the condition while a is less than or equals to 16. If a is less than or equals to 16, then I will do this process. So what I am doing, I'll take it as I, and what I'll do, I'll initialize that I variable with the variable of I is equals to 1. Same thing, I'm initializing it here, and here what I'll do, I'll increment my I value. Getting my point? I'm incrementing my I value, and I want to print it off with the same numbers you will be getting. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have saved it. I have the same values. Just I am incrementing the values of I. So if I place it is 0 here, then I will be getting 0 also in this. Okay. So basically I am starting with 1. So this is how your while loop works. You need to initialize it outside and you need to write a condition in the while, and then last you need to increment that condition. It should not, while loop condition should not be like infinite. If it is like infinite, the loop will rotate and rotate and rotate, and it will go in infinity times it will be rotating. So that's the thing will happen. So this is about the while loop, and let me see the do while loop. Let me take this, and this is your do this thing while this thing. The same thing I have written, just I have placed a condition here, and this is how you will be getting same result you will be finding. But first it will do this thing, first it will do it anyhow, it will do your this thing, and then it will check whether this condition got satisfied or not. Okay, so and if got satisfied, again it will do, if it will do unless and until it get that do part will be break. Okay, so that's about your do while loop. This is the do while loop, and that's all about your loops. If you like this video, please like it and share with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my video. Thank you for watching.